Fear is usually one thing that keeps us from trying new things. And anxiety brings questions such as, what if I fail? What are the consequences? What if I don't like it? Some level of fear is always present when trying something new, and you will soon realize that your mind exaggerates those fears. Eventually, once you make it a priority to try new things, fear will cease to be a crippling factor in your life. Instead, you will see it as a minor speed bump that stands between you and some new experience. Most people evaluate the things that they didn't do, not the things that they know. Your life is singular and fertile. That changes and enjoy it.